Today is March 2nd, 2023. Severe storms, wind and tornado hit Texas. Dozens of reports of severe weather including tornadoes, hail and high winds are coming in from Texas, Louisiana and Oklahoma. The danger of severe weather continues through tonight, with the highest threat from northeast Texas into parts of Oklahoma, Louisiana and Arkansas. In the images shared on social media, transformer explosions occurred, especially in Dallas.
Another little attribute we can go to.
Yeah, we got power flashes.
There are power outages in many places.
I'm getting out of here, guys.
Damage reports are coming in many places, especially in many homes and workplaces, from the sudden storm. Severe weather events occurred in many parts of Texas as meteorology urged caution. In Little Elm, however, heavy winds caused serious damage, with no reports of deaths or injuries yet. In Fort Worth, a sudden gust of wind caused dust devils and tornado damage. Currently, reports and warnings continue to be made on social media about severe weather conditions on this subject and throughout Texas. Please find a shelter and wait for the warnings to pass. I hope there are no deaths or injuries due to the bad weather. That's all the news for now. Don't forget to follow for new news. You can reach our other videos by clicking on the card buttons to browse my other videos or by clicking one of the two videos at the end of the video. Thank you for listening to me.